Fire Escape Academy Inspector Training. We're here in Portland, Maine, and we're looking at this fire escape. We're down here on Portland, near Margaritas, near the stadium. Let's take a look at this fire escape. Two things in order for a fire escape to pass inspection: must be structurally sound, must be kept painted. So let's look at this fire escape. If this got more rust than paint or more paint than rust. Obviously, by looking at this fire escape, I got more rust than paint. So immediately I can just write a paint violation. Don't worry about anything else, because any structural will get picked on the evaluation by the engineer. But let's say that prior to you doing this inspection, that the owner painted the whole fire escape nice and black, and you got here and you were looking for other issues to write on. The first thing you're going to write a violation on is this ladder. This is illegal to do this. It's also wire tied and bungee cord tied up there at the top. You can't even get this thing to drop. Even though it has this little hook and stuff, it's got rubbers and ropes and things tying. The other thing that's wrong with this is you can't have this ladder. This is not an industry standard ladder. If you drop this ladder, it'll crush somebody's skull down below. If it's a person or a fireman and this thing just guillotines down, swings down, it's gonna hurt or kill somebody down below. So totally illegal. All ladders must be on weighted systems. All ladders can be fold out ladders that are on all the way to the ground, and then they fold out half the ladder. So this is illegal to have anything of this kind that could hurt or kill a fireman or a tenant of this building. So the next things we're going to be looking for on this fire escape: we got rust coming down all the connections that tie into the wall. We also have treads that were all welded, and if you look straight up, you can see all the welds are starting to pop, because welded treads do this. Since you don't seal the weld, they stop popping after 3 to 5 years. If you look up on the existing fire escape, there's some treads that are actually loose on the left side as you go up. So if you were to step on that, you're going to fall through the fire escape. So we have a life safety situation here happening on this particular fire escape of this particular building. This is the subway. Again, we're in Portland, Maine. So you see quite a bit of structural issues. So you have enough to write a violation. This is a life safety concern. You look up at the entire fire escape itself, all the way to the roof. You've got some rust at all the connections. There's very little paint left. And when that's the case, the entire fire escape, the rust has penetrated every weld and every bolt when somebody lets it go this far. So whenever somebody lets paint go this far and there's no more paint left on the fire escape, you have major structural issues on this fire escape. If you have any questions on this or any other video that we've done, please give us a call at 866-649-0333. You can also visit our website, firescapeengineers.com. You can also go to YouTube and go to Fire Escape Academy Inspector Training, and you can see this and many other videos on the proper way to write a violation. And this violation should be repair, paint, and test this fire escape. Do not write, ever, scrape and paint, because that's what they will do. You have to write repair, paint, and test the fire escape as the proper way to write the violation on this one. And this one has both paint and structural issues on this fire escape.